Hey guys, what's up? The first channel here, and today I'm going to be doing some unboxings of a photo, well, some photos and maybe a slide, or it could be just photos. So yeah, let's get into this one. So it's an old Stratford double-decker bus, Stratford-upon-Avon, and what's the reg? I can't seem to see it, but I'll put it in the text. So yeah, here's the first one, and here's the front, and here's the back. So yeah, moving on to the second package. Here we go, guys. Oh, it is the slide. So yeah, here's the slide, guys, and it is of a Western Greyhound Mercedes-Benz Beaver bus. And the reg is Y28 WGL. So yeah, I'll show you that on the window, guys. So here it is on the window. As you can see, it's a Western Greyhound. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching, and peace out.